Welcome. Today we are going to see how to make tandoori chicken. I have bought 1 kilogram of full chicken. Make slits on the meat flesh. You can also poke with fork. This chicken needs to be marinated 2 times. For the first marination, add a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it together. Spread this masala all over the chicken. Coat it well. Keep this for 30 to 60 minutes. For second marination, add 1/4 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of pepper powder, ½ teaspoon tandoori chicken masala, this is optional, ½ teaspoon of garam masala, ½ teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, ½ teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Mix it well and coat it over the chicken. Now keep this for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 hours, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now pierce the chicken with the rotate skewer. If you don't have the skewer, then keep it in the grill rack came with the oven. Grill it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. If you don't have rotate grill function, then keep it in the grill rack and cook for 10 minutes. Then flip it and cook another 10 minutes. Now take it out and coat the masala again. Now grill it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Now the tandoori chicken is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Like, share and comment the video. Thanks for watching.